What's going on, fellas? In this video I'm gonna show you how to do the shifter extension on I got a 13 speed, so this is gonna be basically the same on 10 speed or any other. T20 star. Remove this screw and this one on the front. This screws off. Now pull it down. This rubber boot off this plastic piece. And if your truck came from the factory with the manual transmission, you're gonna have different colors airlines here. Mine didn't. We did a swap, so I got like 1, 2, 3 black ones, 1 yellow and 1 pink or purple. But look, it should be blue here, green, red, yellow, and I don't know, it doesn't say here. But I think I got them marked somehow because I did it before. Yeah, I got some markings here. See? So let's take the airlines out of these fittings. There's some air in it. Now you're gonna have to remove this nut. I mean, just loosen it so you can remove the top. This I got it loose, and then I can just unscrew the top. This off. Now what you're gonna need is a shifter extension that goes on the top here. I got 18-inch. It's gonna look ridiculous, but let's put it on. Look at this, fellas. What you're gonna need is a 5/32 airline plus some quick connectors. So remove the nut, because here we're gonna screw the extension on. Extension's going down. Extension is in. Now the nut on the top. I'm gonna put the shifter top on the top of it, because I'm gonna have to get the length of the airline so I can cut it in size. My old fittings, they will work just fine. These fittings on the airlines. I measure the airline going up here. And cut it. First one is in. Second airline. Third airline is in. Before you put all the airlines here, I forgot to mention that set your top of your shifter the way that you like and tie this nut under it so it won't move around. I got it all tied. I'm gonna put the last 2 airlines. All the airlines are in. Now you can put this thing back on, and you can fill this whatever you like to cover the airlines. You can leave it like this. I'm gonna put some piece of cloth on it because I don't like the look. This black piece on the bottom. On the top I'm gonna put this red bandana. Voila! Here we are, final product. Some people's gonna like it, some people's gonna hate it, some's gonna laugh about it. I don't care. I had it before. I like it for a while, then I remove it, make it short, and now I just wanted to show you how to do it, so I'm gonna have it for a little bit. Boom.